Hey there, Rooted Coop family. Today we're going to be making Castile soap. Castile soap uses only olive oil, and I'm also going to be including a recipe in this. So we're going to start with our 16 ounces of olive oil. Into that we will be adding our lye water solution. We will be blending that together. We're not going to be using any colorants in this recipe, and we're going to add a wonderful rose scented fragrance. So let's get started. Castile soap is such a mild and versatile soap, and it's loved by many. We use high quality, extra virgin olive oil to make this authentic Castile soap. It is a simple recipe with just a few basic ingredients. Some of the equipment that will be necessary is going to be your stick blender, a container, soap molds, safety gear of course, gloves and goggles, and in this one we're going to be using fragrance. Always use proper safety precautions when using lye and making homemade soap. It's always important to get precise measurements, so be sure that you use a scale so you can measure the proper amounts. Blending this together, you will want to come to a light trace, and you can tell by doing so whenever everything has come together. This would be very easy to customize in any way that you want by adding essential oil instead of fragrance oil or fragrance oil. Natural additives like herbs and exfoliation could also be added to this recipe. This would be a wonderful recipe for a beginner to start with since the ingredient list is so small and simple. There are many benefits of using Castile soap. It can be used as a body wash, a shampoo, hand soap, household cleaner, etc. The uses are endless. It's also very eco-friendly and has a biodegradable nature. The history of Castile soap began in the Castile region of Spain, dating back to the 8th century. It was traditionally made with local olive oil and an alkaline ash extracted from the barilla plant. During the Moorish occupation of Spain, soap making techniques were redefined, and soap gained popularity for its gentleness on the skin compared to the harsher soaps of the time. With the expansion of the trade routes and commerce, the popularity of Castile soap spread across Europe, and it became a luxury item highly sought after by royalty and the upper class. Now we're pouring this into our little molds to make unmolding easier. This will need to sit for 24 to 48 hours to allow it to be ready to unmold. And now it's ready to unmold, and they just simply pop right out of this mold. This was a special request that I make this Castile soap. But let me know, is this something that you would be interested in me adding to my line full time? It was very fun to make, and I think that the quality of the soap is outstanding. So let me know. I made just a very small batch. As you can see, it come up with 7 bars, and this was using only 16 ounces of olive oil. A very simple, very easy, very friendly beginner recipe. If you enjoyed this fragrant adventure and learning about making Castile soap, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Rooted Coop family. We'd love to have you, where we're all about creating skin-loving products that make your self-care routine even more enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to embrace the suds, indulge in the scents, and until next time, stay clean, stay creative, and stay rooted. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them below. Y'all have a great day. Bye.